Hi friends, welcome back to my science channel. Today, we're making something called Oobleck, which is a non-Newtonian liquid. A non-Newtonian liquid is something that acts like a liquid and a solid. And what we're making today is a non-Newtonian liquid called Oobleck. Should we get started? Oh yeah. Okay. First, I'm going to take a cup of cornstarch in each bowl. I'm just going to take a little bit more. Okay, a cup of cornstarch. I'm just going to add some in here. A little bit more. Okay. I think I could use a little bit more in this one. Okay, looks pretty good. Now, I'm gonna put this, and I'm gonna pour about a cup of water into each. Making Oobleck is so much fun. There we go. Okay, that looks pretty good. Now, I think that we should take one of our spoons and mix it up. If when you're mixing, it doesn't feel that great, add a little more cornstarch. And as you're mixing, this will feel a little weird. And as we're doing this, I'm going to add a little bit of food coloring. Add a few drops in there. Mix that in. As you see, it looks like a liquid. It feels like a liquid, but then when I try to scoop it up, it acts like a solid. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna mix all that up. I'm actually gonna add the rest of our cornstarch into there. Now we're gonna put the yellow end to this one. Now I'm gonna take this and oh wow, this is very gooey, Oobleckish. Okay, let's mix this up. Okay, now here's a fun part. We just dip your hand in and pick some of this Oobleck stuff up. Give it a squeeze. Does it feel like a solid, but then let go? It feels like a liquid. Again, squeeze. I'm gonna grab some more of this stuff. That's so cool. Oh. Do you want to see something cool that you can do with this stuff? I'm just gonna let my hand, I'm gonna dip my hand in, and it's gonna sink all the way to the bottom. Okay, yeah, hand at the bottom. Now I'm gonna, and let the whole bowl come up. Let's try again with both hands. I picked the whole bowl up when I did it. I wonder if we can test out our other slime. Okay, let's put our hands in this Oobleck. Oobleck stuff is so cool. Let's pick some up. Oh, look at this yellow Oobleck. This Oobleck's cool too. You can squeeze it. Oh, this is working even Oobleckier. Oh my, this is even more Oobleck. Oobleck is cool because, well, it looks like a liquid. And when you just put your fingers in, so nice. But then punch. Oh, it's all solid. Okay, I am gonna pour this. But I can't scoop it. I cannot scoop it. Do you remember why? Yeah, because when we scoop Oobleck, when we put pressure on Oobleck, what does it do? That's right. It kind of just, well, it turns into a solid. Hi, little toy. Hey, should we smack our hand in here? Smack. Hey, it's just in here. Hey, they're just in, I know, they're just in the liquid. Hey, let's put him in. Hey, I'm just dancing around in the liquid. I have to move. I'm a tortoise, so I move very slow. Hey, I need to get out. Ah! I was stuck almost. Yeah. This stuff is so cool. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time, science loving buddies. Bye.